From the left menu, you can access the Pro Radio Voiceline options. Before making a live test, make sure Maintenance and Sandbox are disabled. With Maintenance, the form is completely inactive. With Sandbox, the form is visible, but it will not submit anything. The user waiting time sets the delay between two submissions from the same user. The maximum recording time lets you choose the maximum length of each message. With Voiceline Premium, you unlock extra options like email, phone, and admin and user notifications. You can also set a custom email address for the team member who handles voice dedications. That person will receive an email with quick actions to publish, delete, or download the messages. Users can also receive an email notification with your custom subject and message once their dedication is published. The rate limit option controls how many pending messages one user can have. This is useful to prevent abuse. The global rate limit is a security option that limits the total number of submissions your site can receive in a given time. In the FTP settings page, you can set a remote FTP destination to automatically transfer approved and converted MP3 files to compatible systems like MediaCP, SonicPanel, or similar platforms. Below that, you'll find the option to reset user limits. Please note that this resets the limits on your server, but any waiting time already active in the user's browser will still remain valid. Finally, there is the Email Test button, which helps you verify that your inbox can receive notifications. To improve reliability, we strongly recommend using an SMTP plugin so emails are properly authenticated. For a quick test, you can leave everything on the default settings and move on to the next step, adding the form to your page.